Good morning, everyone. We'll start with our monthly recommendations. First, we have Cipla, which is a large cap pharma company. Over the past 4 years, they have been having a very good top and bottom line revenue growth of over 10%. They are mainly into manufacturing and distributing of generics, APIs, and branded medicines. Around 20% of their revenue is coming from US and even abroad. This quarter, they had a very good quarter three results, and this is a stock we are looking forward to, particularly this year. And right now, even the price, the PE seems to be in a very good range, and for a large cap pharma, this is a very good pick. And management is yet to give guidance regarding this year, but we're expecting it to be good. And next we have Bajaj Finance, not to be confused with Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv is the parent company. They hold around 52% stake in Bajaj Finance. Finserv is mainly into asset management and insurance. Bajaj Finance is completely into lending. And again, Bajaj Finance also had a very good quarter three results. And the stock actually hit its very good high last week. But the rationale behind us recommending it this time is because, as most of you know, yesterday RBI has they have cut the repo rate by 25 basis point. So this will really boost the consumer spending. That is, people will be able to lend at a lower rate. So for a company like Bajaj Finance, it is one of the largest NBFCs in India. So for a company like Bajaj Finance, it will really boost their sales. And next we have Coromandel. It is a chemical company. It is an agrochemical company. Mostly their business model revolves around fertilizers and agrochemicals. Most of the revenue comes from fertilizers itself. During the interim budget in January, the government has extended the subsidy for DAP fertilizers, which is what they are famous for. And also looking at the revenue, almost 30% of the revenue is covered by subsidies for them. And this has been continuing for the past 4-5 years. So this boost by government is a very good news for the company. See, although recent con call when we were observing, management said that the raw material prices will remain stable this year. But as you know, for most of the chemical companies, it is a big challenge. The China factor is there. So that is one thing to keep a tab on. And next we have Navneet Education. This is a stock we have recommended around 6 months back, and it has hit its target, and now it has again come down. Again, the quarter three for this company was very bad. It is really below expected. The company is mainly into stationery and also curriculum books, publishing. So right now the publishing book is majority of their revenue, but only in Q1 that gets boosted. That is right before the time school starts. Till then they mostly run around stationery revenue. But this year what we noticed is that the Indian stationery revenue has decreased, but their international revenue has increased for the exports for stationery. So the management has given guidance that they've taken certain measures to boost this. So they're confident about the domestic revenue increasing next quarter. This, along with the quarter one's publishing revenue, should give it a good boost. And finally, we have Garware Technical Fibers. They are into technical fibers. That means mostly they cater to aquaculture industries, sports industries, mainly into sports nest, in aquaculture, fishing nest, mainly into specialized nest and other technical fibers. This company has a very good balance sheet. It's a small cap company, but it has a very good balance sheet, very strong balance sheet. The company has a little debt, but balance sheet has gotten enough cash to cover the debt. And fundamentally, the company is very strong. But the quarter three result is out on 12th. So those who are interested in the company, please wait for the quarter three result, and then you can think about investing. And looking at last month's review, Nifty gave a return of 0.55%. Our recommendations gave 1.70 returns. Mainly for Bharati Airtel and Kotak Mahindra Bank, the quarter three results is very good. This is the main reason why the stock went up. And even for Sidus, the result was pretty good, but mainly mid-cap was not doing well. So because of that, the stock has come down. But fundamentally looking, the result is very good, and we expect the stock prices to go up in the coming months. JM Financial results was pretty flat, so hence no much movement. FDC also, because it's a small cap company, the results has not come out yet. 12th is the result. So those who have FDC need not sell. And there are 3 new NFOs. First is Bajaj multi-cap funds, mainly investing in a mix of small, medium and big cap funds. Next we have Mahindra Value Fund. Value Fund essentially means they wait for the stock prices, goods, they pick few good stocks and they wait for the price to go down only when they enter. And finally we have Bharat Consumption Fund. This is one interesting fund because now as even after yesterday's meeting, everybody is expecting the consumption sector to go up. So mostly they invest in FMCGs, auto, hospitality, related consumption related sectors. For more details, you can contact the mutual fund department. Okay, thank you.